Currently, the annual consumption of salted ham on the market reaches up to 600 million pieces. Estimating roughly, we can guess that the number of pigs used to make this dish is enormous. However, what makes this dish so appealing? It does not only depend on the recipe or the curiosity of the customers. Without further ado, let's dive right in and explore the main ingredient that makes salted ham so enticing. Raising pigs in a natural environment also has its limitation, as the forest area may not be sufficient to meet the market demand. Therefore, raising black pigs on farms is also becoming popular to combine advanced techniques with the natural advantages of black pig breeds, aiming to optimize meat quality and economic efficiency. Once they reach maturity, whether raised in the wild or on farms, the pigs inevitably undergo processing in a factory. Of course, this is also the most crucial stage in understanding why the consumption of black pigs is so high. The leg is the most important part for processing salted ham, so it is carefully separated to avoid damaging the meat structure. In the first salting process, the pork leg is salted with pure sea salt, the muscle meat is covered with fine salt, while the skin is salted with coarse salt. This process lasts about a week, allowing the salt to gradually penetrate the meat. The pork leg is salted for several weeks and then placed in a cold room to allow the salt to penetrate deeply into the meat. In the second salting, after 1 week, the pork leg is washed to remove the old salt and then salted again with fresh salt. This process lasts about 15 to 18 days. Before the ham is released to the market, an expert uses a needle made from horse bone to pierce multiple spots on the ham and smell it. If the ham meets the standards, this stamping tool is used to imprint a mark on the meat. The stamp on Parma ham helps verify its origin and ensures that the product is made according to the procedures and standards of the Parma region in Italy. Black pigs and salted pork legs have long been high-value products on the market. With a meticulous processing procedure at every stage, Parma ham is not just a delicious dish, but also a symbol of traditional culinary culture. If you want to witness the fascinating intricacies of these production lines and delve deeper into how these factories work, then you can watch our next videos here. As a carnivorous animal, it has sharp teeth and an extremely powerful bite force. The symbol of strength and agility beneath the dark waters. Maintaining a strong position in the fashion market with extremely high prices and generating annual profits of up to $9 billion each year. Right now, let's explore this dangerous animal together. Crocodile eggs play a crucial role in the breeding and development of crocodile populations at farms. To ensure an optimal breeding environment for crocodiles, farmers spread a thick layer of sand in the nesting areas. They are then transferred to specialized hatchery facilities where they are kept at temperatures between 29 degrees Celsius to 34 degrees Celsius with controlled humidity to optimize hatching rates. From the time of incubation to hatching, it takes about 65 to 90 days. After the eggs hatch, the baby crocodiles are transferred to rearing tanks where they have access to clean water and ample space. After a period of meticulous care, it is time to reap the rewards. Depending on the demand, the farm will commercialize the crocodiles in various forms. The primary focus is on purchasing young crocodiles for breeding to expand the farm. In addition, adult crocodiles are sent to professional processing facilities. The process of skinning and processing crocodile meat in the factory is a complex procedure that requires advanced techniques. Crocodile meat is categorized into cuts such as the tail, back, and legs. These parts have tender meat, low fat, and are rich in nutrients. The excessive use of crocodile leather in the fashion industry has caused serious concerns about species conservation and sparked strong opposition from animal protection communities. They believe that killing crocodiles for their skin is inhumane and unnecessary. What do you think about this issue? Leave a comment and share your thoughts. See you all on the next journey of discovering fascinating things.